In this video, we're going to look at a real-life client, Two Scoop Steve. So Two Scoop Steve is a small ice cream shop and cafe located in the East Kootenay region of British Columbia. They serve traditional hard ice cream, as well as homemade soups, sandwiches, coffee, and lattes from May until September. And there's a picture of Two Scoop Steve of the building. So the problem was that they have usually about 25 flavors of ice cream at any given time, but it's from a selection of 80 or so that they could have. They used to use an old board with plastic sliding ice cream labels to display what flavors they had. The sign was dated, couldn't be seen easily, and very cumbersome. When a staff member needed to change a flavor, it took a lot of time to find the right flavor label and manually slide it into the menu board. They wanted a digital system so they could quickly drag, drop, and change flavors as they change very quickly. They needed an easy-to-use system that staff could use to clearly and quickly communicate their ice cream selection to customers. They use a laptop in the store to control the active and inactive flavors, and the current flavors are then displayed on a large screen TV outside to their customers. So they looked and they found PresentationPoint. They had searched for and contacted many digital signage companies and asked if such a system existed, and they were told it did not. He then had an idea that the system they wanted acted much like a flight schedule board, and they Google searched airport signage, and then they found mention of PresentationPoint. They sent an email, and Kurt, our founder, let them know that they had come to the right place. So the software that solved the problem is DataPoint, and you can see that they're showing their resources, which ones they currently have available. And here's a picture of the screen, how it looks like on the outside of their building. So DataPoint allows them to display and change all their current flavors. It's done quickly, easily, and is displayed in a very modern and professional way. Are there comments about it? There's another shot of the screen from a different angle. So the available flavors are always displayed. With the old system, the flavors couldn't be changed. It was hard to find the old labels and replace them, and very cumbersome. In 5 seconds, the flavors are clearly displayed on the monitor to their customers. If you want to check out Two Scoop Steve, if you're in British Columbia, they're located at 8707 Johnson Road in Yack, British Columbia. And their website can be found at twoscoopsteve.com. And of course, for more help, more information, you can find our website at presentationpoint.com.